What is the biggest strength of Duolingo? Is it the lesson structure, the user interface, or even the gamification of learning a language? Well, it's actually none of these. The biggest strength of Duolingo is the daily exposure and the maintenance of motivation. These are the things that are of most use to you. And now we ask the question, does Super Duolingo enhance these strengths? Super Duolingo has 4 different features. No ads, unlimited hearts, personalized practice, and unlimited attempts at legendary challenges. And let's start with the first perk, no ads. Having no ads is so wonderful. However, if you're only doing 2 lessons a day, as the good Lord intended, then how many ads are you realistically going to be seeing? How much time are you realistically going to be wasting on ads per day? 1 minute, 2 minutes? That's not that much. But more importantly, does having no ads influence your motivation or your daily exposure? Maybe your motivation, but I don't think anybody has not done a Duolingo lesson because of the ads that follow. So I'm gonna say that no, it doesn't really affect either of these. Moving on to unlimited hearts. This one I can actually see. I find some merit in this perk. Sometimes you can't complete the lesson with 5 tries. Sometimes you make 5 mistakes in a single lesson and then you lose your streak and then you lose motivation and then you just end up putting aside the language and not really interacting with it at all. However, there's this fancy little trick where you click the word and it gives you the translation right under it. And you can use the super mega cheater hack and look it up online. Either way, there are plenty of workarounds of this perk that you can use without purchasing a premium plan. Next, we have personalized practice. If you are practicing your language on Duolingo, then I am disappointed in you. I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed. It is an incredibly ineffective way to study. And if you don't believe me, then watch this video in one of the top corners. And no, personalized practice has nothing to do with motivation or daily exposure. Lastly, unlimited attempts at legendary challenges. I don't even know what this means. I think it's just an extra thing you can do for extra practice once you've completed a lesson to prove your worth or whatever. It just seems kind of silly. And if you watch my video that I mentioned before, then you should know to just continue along the main storyline, don't do anything extra, and you'll be a-okay to meet these 2 goals. There is absolutely no reason to overcomplicate things. Okay, so Super Duolingo went 0 for 4 on aspects that improve its greatest strength. That's not good. That's not good at all. But don't let that take away from the fact that it costs $136 per year. I don't know about you, but I'd rather have a nice pair of shoes. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Ciao.